Hey everyone, Minder here to do another quick installation video on the TempMinder Color 4-Zone Temperature and Humidity Station, or the MRI 333MXC. So let's get started. So we have here the 3 remote sensors. I already started by putting in 1 battery in each. I also made sure that each remote sensor is on its own channel. So we have channel 1 in the middle, channel 3 and channel 2, 1, 2, 3. We want to make sure everything is powered down, so I'm going to go ahead and unplug the monitor. So now we want to start off with plugging the monitor back in. And once the display lights up, you want to go ahead and put the batteries in one at a time, but it doesn't matter which order you put them in. And as you can see, you're going to start picking up the channels from each remote sensor, 1, 2, and 3. Now, all you have to do is set your date and time, and you're all set. If you have any questions, definitely give us a call at 772-463-6522, and we'll be glad to help. Thanks, everybody, and have a great day.